Hello, welcome to techanswer.com. Today we received a question like message requests are not showing up on Instagram. So if anyone tries to send you a direct message and you are not able to see that message request, that would be probably you have set to not to receive any message request. Let us see how we can change that option so that you can get message request normally. So what I'll do is uh, I'll drop this link in the description. So if you want a written answer, there is already answer here. So if you have questions like this, you can browse through techanswer.com and click on ask a question here and post your question. So open Instagram and then followed by your profile picture at bottom, and then three bars at right top corner, and then click on settings, and under privacy you'll see an option called messages, and here there is an option called others on Instagram. Click on that, and for example, if this option is enabled, you won't be receiving any new message requests. So you need to check this message request so that you will get new message requests or direct message request. So this is how you can fix it. I hope you like this. If you like this, please do share it to others, and if you have questions, you can browse through techanswer.com and post your question.